In 2021, the Whangārei District Council engaged the urban regeneration team at the property group to prepare a business case which looked at opportunities and constraints for residential development in the city centre. One of the key challenges of this work was to understand the gap between Council's policy framework, which was seeking to encourage residential development in the city centre, and what was actually being delivered on the ground. What our assessment found was that currently inner city residential development in Whangārei city centre is really challenging. Rising construction costs and price points, what people can afford to pay for residential apartments or even townhouses, just aren't there to make this a viable development opportunity. But what we did find was the redevelopment of underutilised inner city commercial spaces is the best way to create opportunities for residential living in the inner city. Based on this work, we identified a range of interventions that Council could undertake to support the development of inner city residential development. The toolkit provides something that the Council can use to take a proactive approach, working alongside landowners to jointly undertake development that is achieving the vision of a vibrant town centre.
We started looking at the development mainly because my wife and I wanted to live in central Whangārei because the city is becoming pretty exciting now. So navigating the consent process was actually one of the easiest parts of the project. The Whangārei District Council planning team were incredibly helpful. We then approached the town planner who had good contacts in the council. We put our application in and it came back with absolutely no additional requirements. This council is actually trying to encourage what we're doing.
We really enjoyed working collaboratively with Whangārei District Council and we're really proud of what we've produced together.
As we look to move ahead with implementing the vision for our Whangārei City Centre, the Inner City project is an important part to building long-term relationships with our private sector, where we look to progress with being a business-friendly council.